Yes, Saturday morning at naman mga kachika. Y buenos dias con ustedes. Ali mga kachika diato na nila mga kasa. Good morning. Y manunde taman kita por un hora. Akilan senadoses favorite Saturday chikahan tambayan. STL Sweet Talk at 99. Y este dia ay manhunto ka naton el mga tabla kita gente involved na mga different careers or fields. Igual, ang first guest di aton ay mangkwento por kaso ko na tabla kita Pinoy Care. Kasi bagat sa El Pinoy Care mga kachika. So, hindi kita asetarda ko neste ha. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Katrina Wee. Hi, good morning. Take your seat.
Good morning, sweet.
Good morning, Miss Katrina.
Yes, tama, Miss. Miss.
So, how's your morning?
It's fine. It's great to be here at Sweet Talk. Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. Oh, diba? So, would you like to say something or greet our televiewers first before we start?
Okay. Good morning, televiewers. My name is Katrina Wee. So, I'm from Pinoy Care, Marketing Officer of Zamboanga City. So, welcome to Sweet Talk also.
Okay, Miss Katrina, would you like to tell us more about what is Pinoy Care?
Okay, Pinoy Care is a visa assistance center. Visa center siya. So, we not only cater to students' visa, tourist visa, but we specialize on the immigrants' visa. So, for those of you who are looking for opportunities like going abroad, so you could also visit Pinoy Care if you are needing visa assistance.
So, you mean, kayo yung mga in charge ba sa paggawa ng mga visa ng mga sabi nating applicants ba?
Yes. Not naman in charge talaga kasi 'di ba it's only the embassy who is really in charge of the visa, but I could say that
so
we assist.
kayo yung mga like gumagawa ng mga or tumutulong sa mga papers ng mga applicants.
Yes,
okay.
Tumutulong. That is the word. So, we assist in the documentation.
Okay.
So, we know that there are a lot of requirements, di ba? Kung mag-a-apply ka abroad, di ba? Daming kailangan gawin.
Super daming mga requirements talaga.
Ganyan. So,
ano talaga sa bulsa. Anyway, are you an agency or anong tawag ba sa Pinoy Care?
We are a consultancy firm. So we are not an agency where we really recruit people, but we are here just to help. If for example, you consult to us, what is the next step in order for you to get a visa? Then we say, we recommend you do this, ganyan. So that is the service that we give.
Kasi may narinig din ako from a friend na malaking tulong daw yung Pinoy Care sa kanya. Kasi nasa Canada na siya ngayon.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So, ibig sabihin talaga, as in, totoong-totoo na nakakatulong talaga yung Pinoy Care. Especially sa mga taga-Zamboanga.
Yes, we have been here for more than a year already. And marami na po kaming napaalis. Since the processing of the visa. Napaalis. Pinadyakan din. Alis na dyan. No, but yeah, we're saying that we are a legitimate company. Pinoy Care has been in the Philippines for 12 years. They are Cebu-based. But they are branching out. We have branches in Manila, Davao, Tacloban, Dumaguete, Tarlac, Baguio, Abu Dhabi, Kuwait.
So, marami na kayong mga branches
yes.
In the Philippines.
In the Philippines.
Tapos meron din sa ibang lugar, ibang bansa.
We have Kuwait, we have Abu Dhabi, and maybe next month we are opening Singapore.
Wow, Singapore.
So, it is not just the Pinoys that we are helping out. There are Arabs, there are like Chinese people who are willing and who would want the opportunities of the West. So we are saying that we could help you out in processing your immigrant's visa, your tourist visa to Canada, ganyan po.
I'd just like to clarify, yung Pinoy Care, may connection ba ito sa isang school?
Ano? What do you mean connection?
Kasi may school kasi na they are using yung Pinoy Care na parang jingle and advertisement. Are you connected with that school?
Not that I know of now. Parang before you've seen siguro yung sa St. Augustine I think.
Yeah.
So with Christian Bautista. So I don't think that they are now connected with us.
Okay. So nakataon lang talaga same yung
same
name
lang talaga.
Na Pinoy Care.
Yes.
Well, yung mga sabihin nating trabaho ba ang ino-offer nyo? Is it for professional or college graduate lang ba? Or pwede rin yung mga undergraduate?
This is for those who has already working experience. Kasi it's really hard to process.
You mean yung mga professionals
mga professionals na. And even yung mga fresh grad, we are just asking for 1 year minimum working experience. So, syempre, parang it's...
Dapat may 1 year minimum. 1 year
minimum. Okay. But that is really, di ba, parang ang dali lang kasi 1 year is very fast, di ba? So, you just have to you have to show us 1 year minimum experience, then we could process your visa already.
So, ilang days or ilang months after i-process yung visa, tapos makakaalis na yung applicant?
Once your visa is there, you could just leave anytime. You are given, although the embassy will
So, how many days dapat hintayin yung applicants, yung visa?
Yung visa nila, just as I said earlier, it's like 7 to 9 months only.
Oh.
So that's very fast for an application of the visa.
7 to 9 months.
Yeah, 7 to 9 months. Once your papers are in the embassy. So the embassy, especially for Canada, they reply naman kaagad, ganyan. So they will be asking from you the requirements again, like medical and stuff. So once na approve na yung visa mo, right there and then you could get your ticket and fly to Canada.
Okay, that's great. Akala ko kasi like 1 week or 1 month.
Hindi naman.
Matagal pala siya. Konti lang.
Konti lang naman. Mag-ipon ka na ng pang-pocket money. Ganun.
Anyway, sa mga interested na televiewers natin, Miss Katrina, no? Ano bang meron ang Pinoy Care na activities na pwede silang sumali?
Yes, for those of you who are really interested to apply, I suggest you attend our free orientation. Okay, it's a seminar regarding the process and the other requirements, so they will know what to prepare before they apply to Pinoy Care. So it will be on March 14 Wednesday. Okay, March 14 Wednesday at Martian Business Hotel. Is it okay if I say that?
Sure, no problem.
Okay, so baka it will be plugging and all. So it will be at Martian Business Hotel. That is the one beside the fire station.
Okay.
So there are 2 Martian hotels, right? So that is the Business Hotel dyan sa downtown. So it's 5:30 p.m. po. So I hope everybody will come and join us. My boss will be coming over, Ms. Nina Mabatid. So she could explain to you the step-by-step process and the requirements of how it is to process the visa.
So that will be on March 14. 5:30 p.m.
Yes.
At Martian Business Center.
Hotel, yes.
Diyan lang yan malapit sa site ng fire station, mga kachika. So kung interesado po kayo, pumunta po kayo sa March 14 dyan sa Martian Business Center. Diba? Hotel. Alam mo, dito sa show, okay lang banggitin lahat ng mga, welcome din sila sa amin.
Anak ko pala na. Hindi, joke lang.
Any final message sa mga televiewers natin?
For those who would want to contact us also, we have an office at Nunez Extension. Okay, ito naman, right beside Remedios. O, diba?
Diba, Bongga, right beside Fire Station.
Right beside Remedios. Hindi. You could contact us at 991-9853. Hindi ko pa memorize, bago lang kasi. 991-9853. Or you could text me. Yeah, of course. Yeah, 0917-705-5293. Para mas mabilis yung pag-reply. Baka meron dyan who are, interested and they have a lot of questions. So they could call or text us there.
So,
or even in Sweet Talk. Like, pwede nyo tanongin si Sweet. You could, so fan page.
Fan page. We will be posting there yung mga details about Pinoy Care.
Yes.
Anyway, Miss Katrina, we thank you so much for being with me today.
Yes.
I hope to see you again soon.
Yeah, soon. Babalik ako.
Sure, no problem. You're welcome.
Yeah, it's
anyway,
so
mga
fun.
kachika na birada doon sa favorite Saturday ng Bayan Chikahan ay manhun tutamen ka natun el tabla kita muevo. Parang sa padimidayat aki. Jerry's Grill personnel manunto ka nato na birada lang del Sweet Talk at 99.
Fidelis Computer Sales and Service Center is ready to serve your needs. Desktop computers and laptops, brand new and second-hand, computer parts, computer repairs and upgrading, CCTV installation and other computer needs. Come to Fidelis Computer Sales and Service Center. Fidelis Computer Sales and Service. Located at MCLL Highway 21, Zamboanga City, beside Cabato Hospital. Telephone number 955-0719. Cell phone number 0916-5894-219. May the beautiful city of Zamboanga, its neighboring cities, and the provinces of Asilan, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi be blessed with abundant joy and prosperity brought about by optimum utilization of God-given resources of land and sea. SR Seafoods International Incorporated, located at RG Lim Boulevard, Zamboanga City, exporter and processor since 1990 of octopus and other marine products. All the best.
For occasions like wedding, birthday, anniversaries, and other special events, PB13 offers a special package of coverage and airtime rates with a chance of watching these memorable occasions on the screen. Please call us on telephone number 955-0139 for appointment. PB13 is located on 2nd floor LRC Building, Tomas Claudio Street, Zamboanga City.
Welcome kita ko na di atun special guest. Sabla kita ay dali ka natong swerte. Ladies and gentlemen, mga bosses este ha. So, dapat behave kita mga kachika. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Philip Covarrubias, Marketing Manager of Jerry's Grill. Good morning. And of course, Mr. Greg Gonzalez, the Area Manager. Hi, sir. And Mr. Leyland Domingo, the branch manager. Good morning, Robs. And of course, Joe Francisco. Good morning. Yeah. First question. Ano ba talaga ang Jerry's Grill at ano ang pagkakaiba ng Jerry's Grill sa, sabihin natin, sa mga grill restaurant na meron na dito sa Zamboanga City?
Well, first of all, good morning, Zamboanga. Jerry's Grill was found by our boss, Mr. Jerry Apolinario. It's been 15 years in the business. Our first store was located at Tomas Morato. It's it's a menu fits right in any occasions. Even the youngster can provide. It's a diner served with freshly made food, okay, ranging from Filipino favorites like such as pork sisig, kare-kare, grilled pusit, at marami pa.
So you
and I would say that Zamboangueñas can enjoy.
So, you mean, sir, yung Jerry's Grill, hindi lang siya, sabihin natin, more on grilled na food.
Yes.
Meron din siyang ibang mga food na pwede i-offer sa mga Zamboangueños.
Lahat pwede naming i-offer.
Ganon. So, mga kachika, lahat pwede nila i-offer. Ano kaya yun? Malalaman natin yan. Anyway, ano pa ba ang pwedeng, yung tinanong ko nga, i-offer ng Jerry's Grill sa mga taga Zamboanga?
Actually, sir, sabi nga ni Sir Greg, lahat naman pwede namin i-offer sa mga Zamboangueños. Pero ito yung mga pinaka namin, mabenta. Isa sa pinaka-mabenta. Yung nasa top 20 na product namin. Ito yung crispy tadyang, beef yun.
Beef?
Beef, crispy
tadyang.
Ano
tawag doon, crispy na?
Tadyang.
Crispy na tadyang.
Opo.
Parang tadyang. Okay. So, isa siya sa mga top 20 na produkto.
Produkto na best-selling. Meron din kaming beef kare-kare. Okay. Yung beef kare-kare namin, hindi ko masabi na kasing lasa ng Zamboanga. Nagkakaiba tayo. Pero subukan nyo tigman, talagang because of that beef kare-kare, talagang maalala yung Jerry's Grill.
Okay, so sa sinabi nyo po, sir, doon ang next question ko. Diba? Ano yung isang tatak na produkto ng Jerry's Grill na masasabi natin, or let's say, pag binanggit pa lang ng mga tao, okay, ano yan, Jerry's Grill yan. Or pag nakita mo pa lang, wow, Jerry's Grill yan.
First of all, I would like to greet everybody. Good morning. Good morning, sweet.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Well, dun sa question mo about kung ano yung mga products na mas, pag sinabi yung product, talagang masasabi ng tao na sa Jerry's Grill yan. Actually, lahat ng product, talagang well-known as Jerry's Grill product talaga. Pero yung pinaka, namin is yung crispy pata.
Ay, favorite ko yun.
Meron tayong inihaw na pusit, meron tayong sizzling pork sisig, at talagang pag inisa-isa namin yung menu namin sa inyo, yung dish namin, baka magutom lahat ng mga tao na nandito.
Binanggit nyo nga yung crispy pata, medyo nagutom na ako Yeah.
And one thing more na ino-offer namin sa lahat at i-offer namin at dinala talaga namin dito sa Zamboanga is yung quality, quantity, service, talagang super excellent. The quality of the service, the quality of food, everything talaga is in the Jerry's Grill Zamboanga sa Barangay Canilar.
Wow. Everything, as in lahat. Lahat.
As in super talagang lahat.
Pero ano talaga yung pinaka, sabihin natin, patok?
Sizzling pork sisig and crispy pata.
Wow, pasok pa rin siya.
Yes. At of course, ang ating inihaw na pusit.
So, yun ang mga produkto na patok talaga sa Jerry's Grill.
And even sa Manila, pag sinabi natin maka-crispy pata, sa Jerry's Grill yan. Pag sinabi maka-inihaw na pusit, sa Jerry's Grill yan.
Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo? Jerry's Grill na. Di ba? Pwede pang endorser. Anyway, Sir Francisco, would you like to invite our televiewers? Kailan ba talaga ang date na para yung mga taga Zamboanga ay, di ba? Kasi nakaabang na sila lahat kung kailan ba talaga ang Jerry's Grill mag-o-open dito.
Good morning. Mga bibiyentes de Zamboanga, te invita kami con ustedes para Marzo 15, 2012, celebra kanamon junto para na grand opening celebration del Jerry's Grill Zamboanga. Aki lang na Mayor Haldon Street, Barangay Canilar, Zamboanga City. Thank you.
Chabacano ka ha? Pure. Straight Chabacano. No split. So, that would be on March 15 po. Yeah. Sir Domingo, would you like to invite again?
Te-invite ko na todo bibiyentes de Zamboanga ki anda celebra junto ko namon na diamon grande opening na Marzo 15, 2012. Ojalá talos res todo, man-enjoy kita, and let's welcome Jerry's Grill Zamboanga.
Wow. So, numaya ustedes mandos-dos March 15, mark that date on your calendar na anda kita na Jerry's Grill grand opening. Manunto tamin kita alam mga kachika kay lama. Diba? Sir, final message for our televiewers na inaabangan talaga ang pagbukas ng Jerry's Grill.
Again, we're inviting you on March 15. See you sa Jerry's Grill.
See you lang, manmirahan lang doon niya. Diba? Like, andalaan niya manmirahan. Oh, hi, hello. Okay. And Mr. Philip?
So once again, iniimbitahan namin lahat ng viewers ng Sweet 99 at sa lahat ng mga Zamboangueños, talagang super visit kayo on March 15 ng ating grand opening. I would like also to know na lang din sa ating mga Sambuangueños na ang Jerry's Grill po ay nasa Artesia, California rin. We also have here
so international pala siya.
Meron tayong Marina Bay Sands sa Singapore tsaka sa Cabbage Road, and we also have soon to grilling soon talaga sa Qatar.
Ay, wow.
Ayan. At nandito na tayo ngayon, March 15, Barangay Canelar, Zamboanga City. Ini-invite ko po kayo at yung mga graduate student natin, samantalahin ko na yung pagkakataon, sweet. If you want a different kind of food, a different taste of food, meron tayong mga packages na i-offer sa ating mga graduate students sa Luto All Graduation of 2012.
Pwede silang mag-celebrate ng graduation nila dun, di ba?
And we do cater. Actually, meron kami mga functions and reservations na inilalaan talaga at ipoprovide sa ating mga viewers at lahat na rin sa mga taga-Sambuangueños. Just please call 0922-839-1541. Meron kaming budget na ipi-fit sa budget ninyo, mga viewers at mga Sambuangueños. Please come and visit on March 15 once again, sweet. Invite kita at yung mga...
Sure, lahat kami pupunta.
Yan, sige. Para naman matikman natin at madama natin kung ano yung lasa talaga ng mga pagkain na inihahanda sa Jerry's Grill.
Wow. So thank you so much sa mga bosses natin from Jerry's Grill for visiting Sweet Talk this morning. And mga kachika, abangan natin na kung ano yung mga i-offer nila sa Jerry's Grill. So ano pang hinihintay natin? March 15 yan ha, i-mark ang calendar natin na grand opening niya del Jerry's Grill, Aquina, Zamboanga City. Once again, sir, thank you so much for being with me. Inabirada tamen del Sweet Talk at 99 ay manhunto tamen kanaton el taabla kita Angelic Belter del Zamboanga City. No other than katukayo, syempre. Sweet Cell Grace Chong. Nabirada lang del Sweet Talk at 99.
'Fidelis Computer Sales and Service Center is ready to serve your needs. Desktop computers and laptops, brand new and second-hand, computer parts, computer repairs and upgrading, CCTV installation and other computer needs. Come to Fidelis Computer Sales and Service Center. Fidelis Computer Sales and Service, located at MCLL Highway 21, Zamboanga City, beside Cabato Hospital. Telephone number 955-0719. Cell phone number 0916-5894-219. May the beautiful city of Zamboanga, its neighboring cities, and the provinces of Asilan, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi be blessed with abundant joy and prosperity brought about by optimum utilization of God-given resources of land and sea. SR Seafoods International Incorporated, located at RG Ling Boulevard, Zamboanga City, exporter and processor since 1990 of octopus and other marine products. All the best.
For occasions like wedding, birthday, anniversaries, and other special events, TV13 offers a special package of coverage and airtime rates with a chance of watching these memorable occasions on the screen. Please call us on telephone number 955-0139 for appointment. TV13 is located on 2nd floor LRC Building, Tomas Claudio Street, Zamboanga City.
Yes, you're still watching Sweet Talk at 99. Medyo alegria lang kami Aquina Studio. I-welcome na kita ko na di atin next guest, mga kachika. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Angelic Belter, Sweet Cell Grace Chong. Hi! Same sweet, diba? Back to back, sweet and sweet. Pero mas beauty. Diba? Good morning.
Good morning, sweet.
How are you?
Good morning naman, chika.
Oh, diba? Sanay na sanay niya si Sweet Cell. Pwede agad siya man rest or man bakasyon kay siya agad sweet tame na sanay na sanay. Anyway, Sweet Cell. First question, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Wow. Ay, parang beauty contest. Aside from being a theater artist, a pop idol, kosa pa ba kere si Sweet Cell Grace Chong? Say when it comes to your singing career?
I wanted to try new trials. I wanted to try new challenges. Kaya taminyo entra na mga national competition, international. Kay I'm used of joining aki lang na Zamboanga mga contest. So kaya taminyo man try
national and even international.
Si Chania chance.
Yeah.
I was given a chance.
So amugad ka dito yung one of your greatest dream na man-join national and international singing competition.
Yes.
Iman represent ko no Zamboanga City.
Si.
So, si Kerman Alitamida ha, chinikita ki uno pambato de Zamboanga. So, si Taliman, naman chance, paboya, support tayo kita ko nila itong mga pambato de Zamboanga. Di ba, Sweet Cell?
Right.
Kasi igual tamin, parang, pateling abla, igual lang kami di Sweet Cell, entra lang kami. Correct. Pero hindi kami pwede na national. Lang kami, pang loka. Pero time will come and man-shine kasi dito yung star, even in international scene, di ba? Mm-hmm. Now, where did you get your angelic belter voice? Is it inborn or in voice lesson too?
Inborn. Kasi yan...
Wow, inborn.
Inborn.
Talo ako, inborn siya.
In start kasi yung man discover di mio el talento di mio when I was still 2 years old.
So 2 years old, takantaya too.
Si.
If you can remember, no? Kasi our first song, ako 2 years old too, na yakanta too.
Siguro mga nursery rhymes, pero yan start ka jo kanta kansyon, Climb Every Mountain.
Ay,
Amo
wow.
yan kan.
So halos parang SM todo song, di ba?
Si.
Oh, Climb Every Mountain. Problema ben alto kat mountain. So pwede kat man.
Pero yan kwanta men yo, yan voice lesson tamen yo to improve.
Kasi syempre di ba maskin inborn el daton mga gifted voice. Wow, pati yo ya sa entra. Mga gifted voice daton. Syempre we need also to have lessons, di ba? Para mga techniques on how to breathe, di ba? On, di ba? Correct. Oo. So, yabla nga to sir, mga bawal, di ba? Syempre na mga singers like you, di ba? Kung sa ba el bawal kung Sweet Cell para man-maintain got a voice as angelic belter.
Bien mo true. Jessita, hindi man depressed. Dapat durmiyo early.
Early ba?
Question mark. Kuan, no chocolates, sarap.
But ever since, you're not eating chocolates? Sometimes.
Hindi ka mapigilan.
Oo, ako din eh.
Di ba? Di ba?
So, you need to sleep early. No chocolates if possible.
Mga cold water. Si Akel, you're tired. Kabar, tomato, agwaprio, bawal.
Sa pamagat-kill, di ba?
Si, bawal man.
Kansaw gato, kabar, cold na cold. My God, sarap.
Sarap.
Diba?
Pati mga, so, bawal daw, boyfriend, distraction daw.
Sina?
Oo daw.
How true, Sweet Cell, bawal boyfriend ng mga singers. Pero, okay lang ba kung man-asyo?
Wala.
Okay lang ba, Mami? Si Mami, tamira ako natin.
Inspired
ba si Sweet Cell?
Yes, I am.
Very. naman eh. Yeah, who's the lucky guy? You're so swerte. If ever. If ever meron. If ever meron, you're so swerte. Diba? Like Sweet Cell, how do you manage your time when it comes to your studies, your family, para dito yung kwerpo, and of course, for your singing career?
Kasi try naman yung time, if I have vacant time, na yung school activities, no class, syempre, hindi mo yung family. Hindi mo tamen singing, while I'm making assignment, syempre, tali, abierto laptop, abierto
abierto laptop, iPad.
Oo, Natalia, while I'm doing my homework.
So, tapo nito while todo ka abierto. Nansina?
So, Facebook.
Multitask gayon. Diba? Tan as assignment, Facebook aki. Text aki. Diba? El uno oras, tauisan. El uno tagpunto. O, diba?
Pero hindi lang syempre, tadeha di mio studies, pati di mio taman sing career.
Amo sa pinaka-importante, diba? Maskin, pakilala mga the busy ang mga di aton mga kwerpo, basta numalanggat kita ulbida ko nil daton studio kasi esa pinaka-importante aside from other mga likes or helix di aton na life. Di ba, Sweet Cell?
Una studies kasi tali lang sa mga
una
extra.
Studies ka ba boyfriend?
Ay, hindi.
Anyway, Sweet Cell, let's not talk about boyfriend. Kay my heart is so painful. Wow. Anyway, if you were to sing a song that will describe yourself, si Ken bagat si Sweet Cell Grace Chong, causes the song, maskin favorite, lines del song that will best describe you?
Beautiful by Christina Aguilera.
Thank you. I know that.
We're beautiful.
Yeah, we're so beautiful. Anyway, your favorite lines sa kantang yun?
I am beautiful no matter what they say, 'cause words can bring me down. Oh, I am beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can bring me down. Won't you bring me down today?
Oh, diba? Ako pa lang, sample pa lang kala, pero yan pangangay agad kami aki, di ba? So, porque ako song to eskuy?
Because I know I'm beautiful inside and out. And, syempre, masking ko sa man ablad otro hen. Syempre, maskin, siya naman mga hente, kusa-kusa taabla, sina. Syempre, hindi ka ito pwede naman avoid. Siya ng mga ansina, mga issues. You can never avoid it. Yes. So, bahala lang. As long as I know, wala akong ginagawang masama, I'm not doing anything wrong to any person, there's nothing to be afraid of.
Basta we know that we're beautiful.
Yes, inside and out. Because every person is unique.
Correct. So, very well said.
Yes.
Very well said. Anyway, ay dala ka natin sample song si Sweet Cell Grace Chong. Por eso, mga kachika, ladies and gentlemen, Angelic Belter, Sweet Cell Grace Chong.
Have you ever been in love? You could touch the moonlight when your heart's shooting stars, you're holding heaven in your arms. Have you ever been so in love? Have you ever walked on air? Ever felt like you were dreaming when you never thought it could, but it really feels that good? Have you ever been so in love? Have you ever been in love? You could touch the moonlight when your heart's shooting stars. You're holding heaven in your arms. Have you ever been so in love? Have you? This time I spent waiting for something that was heaven sent. When you find it, don't let go. I know. Have you ever said a prayer and found that it was answered? All my hopes have been restored, and I ain't looking anymore. Have you ever been so in love? Have you? Someplace that you ain't leaving, somewhere you're gonna say, yeah, when you finally found meaning. Have you ever felt this way? Time I spent waiting for something that was heaven sent. When you find it, don't let go. I know. 'Cause have you ever been so in love, so in love, you can touch the moonlight, you can even reach the stars. Doesn't matter near or far. Have you ever been so in love? Have you? 'Cause have you ever been in love? Have you ever been in love? So
Yes, thank you so much, Sweetcell Grace Chong. Manuto lang siya pagkalaton si Sweetcell. El Diaton Nuevo Kachika, na birada lang Doceres favorite Saturday chikahan, Akina, Sweet Talk at 99.
Fidelis Computer Sales and Service Center is ready to serve your needs. Desktop computers and laptops, brand new and second-hand, computer parts, computer repairs and upgrading, CCTV installation and other computer needs. Come to Fidelis Computer Sales and Service Center. Fidelis Computer Sales and Service, located at MCLL Highway 21, Zamboanga City, beside Cabato Hospital. Telephone number 955-0719. Cell phone number 0916-5894-219. May the beautiful city of Zamboanga, its neighboring cities, and the provinces of Asilan, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi be blessed with abundant joy and prosperity brought about by optimum utilization of God-given resources of land and sea. SR Seafoods International Incorporated, located at RG Ling Boulevard, Zamboanga City, exporter and processor since 1990 of octopus and other marine products. All the best.
For occasions like wedding, birthday, anniversaries, and other special events, TV13 offers a special package of coverage and airtime rates with a chance of watching these memorable occasions on the screen. Please call us on telephone number 955-0139 for appointment. TV13 is located on 2nd floor LRC Building, Tomas Claudio Street, Zamboanga City.
Yes, you're still watching Sweet Talk at 99. Kamusta lang kita live na live on a Saturday morning. Anything can happen. Ay, nako. Pwede lang yung reach. Pwede silang mila ko sa taas. Anyway, welcome kita ka na to New Kachika Akina TV13. Ladies and gentlemen, Kachika VJ AJ. Hi! Okay naman, Mike.
Hello, good morning, Sweet, and good morning, mga kachika.
Wow, good morning.
Yes.
Energetic na energetic.
Dapat. Kita-kita araw na TV13 and dapat alegria kita. Igual na damo nebo programa, musika i alegria. O,
diba? Promote tayo na ipayo-pregunta. Anyway, how old ya ba si VJ AJ?
Na-bracket pa yun del teen. So, 19.
Ah, wow.
19 pa lang yun.
19. So,
going 20.
Teen pa gayon.
Teen, God. Correct, God said.
So, how does it feel na your new kachika?
Siguro it's like breath of fresh air na nuevo mga gente with new family, and I feel really welcome during our first episode akina na TV13 na imbonemental mga gente ben hospitable gud sila. And yes, mas po ako lang kal gente. So, alegre yung kay takyuara na TV13 and manghunto-hunto kita mga kachika aki lang syempre.
So, what will our televiewers expect from VJ AJ na ara new kachika yato?
So, syempre mga televiewers o mga kachika, you'll see more na damon mga kalokohan hunto kong VJ MM na damon nebo programa. So, mga kalokohan lang will be so natural na diamond show, and of course mang watch out ustedes ko na diamond mga guests, mga nuevo music videos, and mga a piece of advice sa diamond mga senders del messages na diamond nuevo programa.
Wow, bonggang-bongga.
Yes.
Anong kaguluhan yan?
Amugad sa nuevo ara na diamond nuevo programa, musika i alegria.
Musika i alegria. So dapat alegria lang kayo.
Alegria kay tama gatuli sweet.
Nuay si Bangot. Nuay lang.
Nuay lang, okay.
Anyway, last question. Ano bang nagpapasaya kay VJ AJ?
Mucho. Barkada, pamilya. So, hello alin ng barkada na Western Mindanao State University na College of Nursing. Hi! Nursing. Yes, nursing. And of course, na mga friends namin na auto schools like Ateneo? Wemsu. So, Wemsu pala kami kito, Dodo. So, hello na mga taga Wemsunian. Tiyan na kami nombre, Wemsunians. And hello also to my friends na the Henas group. Hello there. So, keep watching and keep supporting our show, and of course, TV13.
Well, welcome gayon kunti ko VJ AJ i-part yagat to the TV13.
Yes.
You're part of the Kachika family.
Finally.
Di ba? Finally. Now, Sweet, sa last message ko ng dati mga televiewers, ko ng mga fans dito yung ke espera, si Chene ba ito mga events or singing engagement na pwede sila kung tigomira. Pakilala sila, sabi dito yung schedule. Do you have any website, Facebook?
I have Facebook, Sweet Salchong, and I just wanted to thank the TV13 family for inviting me here at the Sweet.
Yes, you're welcome. You're always welcome.
Thank you.
Pag ito mga show, you can always visit Sweet Talk para mag-invite. You're always welcome, Sweet Talk.
I just wanted to say hi din sa mga BSN1E, sa mga nursing, Western Mindanao State University, mga friends ni Mio na Ateneo, hello. And mga friends, family, Italina Sukabon, hi. Okay, yun. My mentors, Hello, Sir Larry Silva, Ma'am Titang Haldon, Joel Bustamante, Mark Anthony Tolentino. Hello.
Yun. How about you, VJ AJ? Would you like to say something or final words?
Yes, of course. Mang-plug kami Diamond Show with VJ MM. Musika y Alegría na TV13 match. Kachika, daily around 7 a.m. in the morning. And you could also log in for your questions, suggestions, comments, this is mga requested songs. Pati dito yung mga problema na pwede kami dali advice. And can pakere kada feature na Diamond Show na Facebook account Diamond Musika y Alegría with VJ MM and VJ AJ at TV13. So, thank you so much, and please do support our show po.
Okay, thank you so much, Sweetsoul Grace Chong, for gracing the show.
Thank you.
And welcome again,
Yes.
VJ AJ.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you taman kun Mami Lily for allowing Sweetsoul. Thank you. Kanal dato taman mga early guests anante like si Miss Katrina Wee. Thank you so much from Pinoy Care. And of course, the bosses of Jerry's Grill. Man-open niya sila na March 15. So, manmirami niyan kita alya mga kachika. Calling all female 14 to 19 years old, talented and with pleasing personality. The search is on for Miss Teen Zamboanga 2012. Audition and screening today at Hot FM Station, 4th floor, Jose Go Julio Building, Tomas Claudio Street, Zamboanga City, from 1 to 5 p.m. this afternoon. Or for more information, you can call them at 992-4437 or 0915-3764835 and look for Miss Teen Babes Arquisa. Bongga. Manuntuto taman kita mga chika mañana alas 8 del noche ali na Barangay Lunsuran para na Hot Teen Gay 2012. So, see you all there mga kachika ha. Manunto kita ali. And advance happy birthday to my director, Direct Rodel Rabanez, on March 14. Happy birthday po sa inyo. And Maria Maldita on March 17. And of course, belated happy birthday to Mr. John Natividad. And happy viewing to the Solid Sweet Talkers, Alina Barangay Tumaga, to the Wee family, to Chino and Kimboy, and of course to baby Shermel, to Cherry, and to Romel Carvajal. Hello sa inyo. And thank you pala sa magsusponsor ng shampoo para sa aking hair. Thank you. Hindi ko pa pwede banggitin kung sino yan at kung anong shampoo na yan. Basta abangan nyo yan ha. Congratulations to all EMT Batch 11 on your graduation yesterday. To Pogi Royland Certified EMT ka na. Kaya congratulations. To Dora and to Barney, bongga ang name ha. To Angry Bird, to JJ, thank you so much. And to Kwa and to Linlin Hi sa inyo. To Ate Pauline and to Kuya Glenn, good morning. And eto ha, pasang ano lang, parang abla kita, tabi-tabi po. To Barangay Captain Juliano Pasunangka. Hello po sa inyo. Ano po, ito nangyari? Anong kaguluhan po ang nakarating sa akin na tinanggal daw ng Samselco ang street light dyan sa UP, Luyahan. Ba? Barangay Captain, be aware po of the safetyness of your mga barangayos ali. Diba? Pero, if true man este, please confirm ya lang kay manadagat issues ta uwi kita. Anyway, manuntuhunto tamen kita syempre ulit na Sabado. Aki lang sa syempre na doon sa favorite Saturday Chikahan Tambayan. Before I end up this show, I would like to say thank you so much to Mami Jojo for my footwear last Saturday. And of course to Best Johnny Bantoto Cruz, thank you so much. To my staff, thank you very much sa pagtsatsaga. Thank you. And to sweet circle of friends, to my televiewers, thank you so much. And please follow me on Facebook and on Twitter. And you can also watch this episode on YouTube by Monday. Okay? Hanggang sa muli mga kachika, be careful of the actions, words, and unwanted comments that might hurt someone's feeling. Estelle, that says Hot Kachika, Sweet Mendoza, ESTL, Sweet Talk at 99. Be beautiful inside and out. God bless everyone. Toodles. Enjoy your Saturday.